There are two use cases we built right off the bat, what we call maritime domain awareness. You think about these boats, the long endurance boats, right? That's why we made them electric with solar panels on them. You could leave them in the ocean for months at a time. So think about, thousands of miles ocean being covered by the Rampage, which is what we call our vessels. Rampages with sensors on them, right? All talking to each other and connected and just sitting there to sense the maritime environment. And say when they find a ship that they need to go investigate, they all work together, right? Collaboratively, essentially hunting as a pack to try to find that ship and get a targeting solution on them. All the way they can move fast and they can, 300 pounds of payload. So you can put whatever you want on it. So some use cases, you might want it for kinetic payloads, right? So, for that end game, they can hunt as a pack all the way to the intercept, right? To that end game. The other thing that we realized as we were building these is they make a perfect platform to just transport things, right? So there's a big use case that the Navy, Army, and the Marine Corps are exploring called contested logistics. It's, as we figure out how to fight again in these island chains, the first and second island chains, a lot of the thinking is that these units are going to be isolated on these island chains, and they're going to be contested. What that means is if you fly a B-22 or Black Hawk or C-130, right, the other side is most likely going to shoot it down. But these units have to get resupplied, right? And that's where our boats can do that mission easily right now, right? They can go between island chains just doing resupply missions without human inputs, right? That takes the human out of danger, takes them out of the loop. And here's the thing, right? If they target a boat that costs 100,000 with $1 million missile, we win. Right. And so and all you're going to blow up is, beans and bullets in that boat. And so it's kind of the perfect use case for contested logistics and how we're going to supply all these units across, hundreds of island chains. So those are the two basic missions that we support.